Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to create a hovering mountain terrarium from scratch. First, we will start with a layer of pebble rocks to ensure good drainage for a terrarium. Next, we're adding a layer of damp sphagnum moss to help retain moisture. Then I sprinkle some activated carbon over the top for keeping it fresh and prevent odors. For the next layer, we're mixing academic soil with regular potting soil. I added some water to make it sticky and easy to shape. Then I spread the soil mixture evenly over the sphagnum moss layer. Now I'm placing some large stones to represent mountains. And I always like to keep my hands and tools sanitized. I'm using a fish line and UV resin to create a stable structure that can hold the heavy stone. The other side of the fish line will be glued on the lid of the container. You will see it later. Then I used some damp sphagnum moss again to shape the base of the mountain. Then I wrapped it with some cling wrap for molding the shape. Let it sit somewhere while we work on the other parts. Even the soil mixture over the sphagnum moss and around the edge of the mountain. Then we spray some water. Wipe it off. Prepare some moss. I soak them with water with a little bit hydrogen peroxide. This is my favorite part, inserting the moss into the soil. I made a heart-shaped lake with resin. This is how it looks like after planting of moss. I gave some room for the new moss to grow out. Patterning the moss on the stone with threads. And I covered the base with the soil mixture. Now I carefully insert the moss into the clay-covered stone, creating a lush green base of the mountain. Then I paint the mountain tops white to mimic snow-capped peaks. To maintain a healthy ecosystem, I'm adding springtails. These tiny creatures help keeping the terrariums clean and balanced. They eat the mold and decay matter of our terrariums. Plus, they're so tiny and they usually hide underneath the soil, so you won't notice them much. And there you have it, a beautiful hovering mountain terrarium. Let me know how you like it and share your finished projects in comments. This terrarium will be for sale once the ecosystem is more established and healthy. Check out our website for more details and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.